Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to convert a full-page database into Inline in Notion. First, log into your Notion account. Now, for here, I will choose on this Creative Projects database to convert into Inline. So what you need to do is to click on Add New and add an empty page. Now just name that page. After that, you will drag in your database into the page that you created. Now, hover your cursor into it and right-click on this icon, and you will see an option to turn it into inline database. And there you have it. You now have your full-page database turned into inline in Notion. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.